You walked in like velvet midnight, eyes like a slow burning flame. Every move pulled me closer. Now I'll never be the same. Your laugh's like a slow jam playing. Your touch turns minutes to days. And baby, when you say my name, I lose my breath in waves. You make me swoon, falling like the sun into your room. Heartbeats sink into your tune, wrapped in your rhythm, under your moon. Yeah, you make me swoon. Every time, baby, you make me swoon. Whispers dance along my skin, like silk caught in a breeze. You don't rush, no, you just ease your way through me. The way your voice drips honey got me melting inside. Don't need no candlelight, you're the fire tonight. You make me swoon, floating like I'm lost inside a tomb. Time slows down when I'm with you. You're the lyric I never knew. Yeah, you make me swoon. Every time, baby, you make me. Call it magic, call it fate, call it what lovers can't explain. But when I'm near you, gravity don't work the same. You make me swoon, spinning like a record in a room. Can't resist your mellow groove. I'm yours and baby, that's the truth. Ooh, make me swoon. Every time, baby, you make me swoon.